Hello everyone, here is vanAmsen, and today we will solve daily LeetCode challenge, question number 744. Find smallest letter greater than target. This problem falls under the easy category, but understanding the approach is key here, so let's jump into it. We are given a sorted array of characters and a target character, and the aim is to return the smallest character in the array that is lexicographically greater than the target. If such a character does not exist, we return the first character in the array, and we will be solving this problem in the Python. So let's get started. So what we do first is set the start to 0 and start 0, set the end to the length of the letter array, and len letters while start less than end, meet start plus end minus start divided by 2 without remaining, and if letter meet less than target, start meet plus 1, else end plus meet, and return the letter, or if there is no greater, the first in the list. So return letter start modulo len letters, and yep, so this is our implementation. So we have already defined solution class and next generator letter by LeetCode. This method takes in a list of characters, letters, and a single character target, and it's expected to return a character as well. So let's run and see if it works for given test cases. So yes, it's working. So for example, for letter C, F, J, and target A, correct output is C. So it's all working. So what we have implemented here is a binary search. This is a standard algorithm when you're working with a sorted list and need to find a particular element. In the binary search, we start by setting our start to 0 and our end to the length of the array. We then start a while loop that continues as long as start is less than end, and inside the loop we calculate the midpoint, yeah, so it's marked as mid. The midpoint is less than or equal to the target. We shift the start to the right side of the midpoint. If it's greater, we shift the end to the left side, and this way we are efficiently cutting down the search space by half with each iteration. So for example, like if the letter mid is less than target, we go to start mid plus 1, and otherwise it's end to the mid and cutting every time by half. And at the end, when we have narrowed down the smallest character greater than the target, we return it, and the modulo len letter operation is to handle the case when there is no character greater than target. In that case, it wrap out around to return the first character in the list, and that's it. A binary search approach to finding the next greatest letter in Python. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment below. And as usual, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding solutions. So now let's run for unseen test cases. Hopefully it will pass as well. So yeah, we have successfully completed, and today is completion 11 day. So daily coding challenge completed, and our implementation beats 55 in runtime, and also with respect to memory of 45. So it's all good. So hope you like it. See you next time, and as usual, happy coding. Keep practicing.